In this lecture, we're going to be talking about one life-changing technique that you can use, and it is called the table method. It is a way out of the negative emotions, feelings, and thoughts that you might be experiencing. As we previously said, your mind cannot distinguish between imagination and reality. When you imagine something, your brain wouldn't consider it as real. So you'll imagine yourself sitting on a table with 3 people sitting on it. So who is attending? We talked in another lecture, whether you went through it or you're going to go through it, about finding the balance between your past self, your present self, and your future self. And on this table, there will be your past self, your present self, and your future self. You'll be sitting down with your present, current state. And on your left, it will be your past self, and on your right, it will be your future self. You will talk to them. You will talk to your past self, ask him questions. How did you feel back then? And you will realize, look at all the positive, and see that you came a long way and that you improved from your past. Especially as you're going through this course and you're trying some exercises and you're getting better and better in terms of mental health and emotional intelligence. When you look at your past self and you see how far you came so far, this will make you joyful, this will keep you motivated, and it will basically have an impact that would push you towards doing more and more of what's good for you. At the same time, you look to your left and you talk to your future self. How do you want to feel? How do you imagine feeling in the next 2 weeks or the next month? And let your future self answer. So not only will you feel the motivation by seeing how far you came so far from your past self, but you will also be focusing on the reward, on where you are going to be if you keep pushing and you keep persisting. This will keep you motivated. This will keep up the consistency and the persistence. It will leave you feeling calm, less anxious, and overall mentally healthier.